If we want to edit this testimonial carousel over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the testimonial carousel widget. We have items over here. By clicking on one of those items, we can see the content over here that we can change. We can also use AI. We can add an image like so. We can add a name and a title. And the same goes for the next items. If we want to add a new item, we simply have to click over here to add a new item. If we want to delete an item that we already have, we simply have to click on this X over here. We can also duplicate the items by clicking over here like so. And now the first two items are the same. Then we have the skin over here. We have default or we have bubble. And we have the layout. Like so. We have the alignment like so. How many slides per view. How many slides to scroll. Okay, and the width, like so. Then we have additional options, like if we want to see arrows, the paginations, for progress it's over here, for dots is over here. If you wanted to autoplay, to be infinite loop, to pause and hover, and to pause an interaction. By going to style, we can customize how it looks like. We have space between the slides. We have background color for the entirety of the element. We have border width if we want to add a border, border radius, and the border color. And of course the padding over here. Then for the content options, we have the gap between the content, the image and the text, like so. Here we can see it better, like so. The text color, like so. The typography, font family can be changed from over here, the size from over here, and so on. The text stroke. Then we have options for the name. We can change the color from over here, like so. The typography from over here. Then for the title, I did not add any titles to them, but let's do that. Over here, let's add something over here. And then by going back to style, to content, over here to title, now I can change the color. You can see it over there. And the typography settings over here. Then we have settings for the image, the size, the gap. Let's go back. The gap, like so. Border, if we want to add a border, let's change the color so we can see it. The border width and the border radius. Okay, and then we have settings for navigations. We have some settings for arrows like the size and color, but I have hidden the arrows. And then we have some settings for pagination, like size, color, and active color, like so. And we have some settings for the bubble, like background color, like so. The padding over here, like so. And the border radius over here, like so. And we can also have a border if we want to, like so. Color and the width. And we also have some advanced settings over here. So let's right click and reset style. To reset the style to how the container looks like before any changes have been made to it.